Hey guys, welcome back to another weekend.
Hey, what's up everyone?
We are out at Big Bear this morning, or this weekend, and say hi baby. Hi.
Hi.
We are walking along this, we just parked and we are walking along the path to get to the zoo. So we tried to go last year, but we didn't make it, so we're making it this year. And it's kind of a warm weekend this year too. We normally come up to Big Bear to get cooler weather, but the heat's coming up here with us, so we just got to get checked in, get our tickets. I think it's 10:30 right now. We tried to get a head start just so that it's a little cooler, but it is kind of warm.
It's not bad. What, 80s?
Yeah, it's gonna be 80s, but that's pretty hot for being up in Big Bear. So yeah, we're just gonna go get checked in right now. Glare off the window. Oh, there he is. He's waiting. He's looking for someone to open the door.
Here.
You see the bell? Can you see the bell? Yeah? How do you compare? You're like the size of one of his paws. American black bear. That was the bear that we just saw. What's in here? Raccoons are in here. I don't see any. There's birds in here. Raven. Let's see. Oh wow, it's right there. A fox? Right there. Coyotes next door. See the coyotes walking around? Oh, there's that. Let's keep that cloud there. Look at the coyotes. Oh, here it is. Just laying down sunbathing. babe. There he is. Let's see his face. Big bear. Where is it? Oh, look, the snow leopard. Let's see. Snow leopard. He's hanging out inside his cot. Kind of hard to see.
Yes. Maybe that's what you mean.
Oh yeah, hammock. Yeah, hammock cot thingy. How do you like the zoo, huh? How do you like the zoo? It's a little hot. Yeah, say hello. It's a little hot.
Hello.
I think there's 2 bears. There's a big snow leopard here, but the fencing makes it really hard to capture things on video. But there's 2 big bears here. There's a snow leopard. We haven't made our way yet. It's a pretty small zoo, but it's just good to, you know, get out, get something in for the day. But yeah, we'll just keep moving. Okay, let's see how the angle is from this side. You can see it. It's very hard. There it is. Right there. Yeah, it's hot. They're all over here, babe. You can see it right here. Mountain lion. An eagle. This side's better. Alright, pit stop to the playground. Alright, you gotta push it really hard, okay? 1, 2, push. You have to help her. Oh, yay! Wow! Oh, maybe next time. Ready? Let her push and then you push it.
1, 2, 3,
Go.
Mine's like lopsided.
Yay! Okay, all done. Now we gotta wait our turn again. Alright, just got done with bowling over here at the whatever bowling barn. Lots of fun. First time bowling out here. Just, you know, something different to do and something we can do with Casey as well. A lot of
Yeah,
fun.
you got to bowl too, huh?
There's a little
Got
stuffy in
put
there.
some points on the board.
Yeah, got a little stuffy in there. We're gonna head out first so we can get her all showered and clean. She's a little sticky and sweaty. But yeah, let's just keep the weekend going. We'll see you guys in a bit. What are you doing up there? Alright, good morning guys. We are back at camp. Was it yesterday? Went to the zoo, went to go bowling, and we are back obviously at camp. I'm gonna give you a quick tour. It's kind of a mess. We got toddler dogs and whatnot, and she's been liking it up there this trip around. So that's been her kind of like hangout spot in the morning or during the day in the morning when we're at camp. But yeah, I'll give you a quick site tour. Let me head out. What's she doing up there? All right, we are back out at camp, and here's our campsite.
trip around to get by the fire truck. That's pretty exciting.
Don't eat it, okay? Yeah, she might. Yeah. See it? They're right there. You saying bye? Alright, all cleaned up. Getting ready to leave. Are you saying bye? Stand over here. Careful, big step. Bye-bye. I'll see you later. Alright guys, we are loaded and ready to go. That does it for the weekend.
Yay! Oh!
You dropped her off. Alright, yeah, so what was it? We started Friday at the zoo, went bowling.
That was fun, huh?
And then, we went boating Saturday. Went out for ice cream. I don't think I got that on film. But yeah, no, we had a pretty great weekend up here in Big Bear. It was actually, we always come up here to cool down, but it was hot. One day it hit the 90s, which is not usually normal for Big Bear. And then it started cooling down yesterday, Saturday. All in all, a great trip. Just meeting up with some friends and just, yeah.
Did you have fun?
Casey had a blast.
Always, right? Always.
Are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Thanks for joining us. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.